Hey everybody, today we are going to be calculating the time of death using the rigor mortis evidence. So if you remember from our notes in our last unit, rigor mortis is talking about the stiffening of the muscles after death. And we had some time frames that we talked about, but you didn't have to have them memorized yet. So you were supposed to know that from 2 to 6 hours is when rigor begins and the body becomes stiff. It should start in the small muscles like that in the face and then progress through the rest of the body. 12 hours was our peak of rigor, where the body is completely stiff, and then it slowly is lost between 15 and 36 hours. We also talked about some of the different environmental factors that can change how fast rigor sets in or how slow it sets in. So cold temperatures will slow down rigor while warm temperatures accelerate it. Exercise before death will actually increase the rate of rigor as well, while being completely relaxed in sleep would slow that down. Body mass also is another factor to consider. Obese has more oxygen stores in the fat, and that would slow down rigor, whereas someone who is thin has less stored oxygen in their body fat, and that would speed up rigor. So you're going to use these two tables of information to answer some questions about what happens with rigor. So if you found a body that didn't have any signs of rigor, you're going to look up at the table and see what stage or stages they could be in, and you're going to answer that. But the part that sometimes gets forgotten is you have to explain each of your answers. So make sure you don't just tell me the face, but tell me how you know that. So go through and answer each of those for part A. It'll give you scenarios and you'll be estimating what time window that would be in. Part B is looking at some of the situations. So this first one is going to talk about a frail elderly woman, so that tells you something about her body condition. And also inside in an apartment on a hot summer's evening instead of outside. So you're going to use those two factors to figure out what stage it would most likely have been, and you need to explain your reasoning again. So make sure that you've explained those reasonings, you type your answer after each one, and then you're going to submit this Google document as your assignment for today. Please ask me if you have any questions. I'm available on our Canvas messages in class or by email. So hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon.